welcome back to Seashell and Sand Adventures. Today we are here again in Praia dos Três Irmãos in Alvor. It is August, so it's absolutely crazy busy here. And to be honest, the water is freezing cold. It was way warmer in the winter, but you know, it's a hot day. We got 35 degrees, I think, so the water being a little bit colder, it's okay, we'll take it. But I'll show you the beach. So as you can see, it's quite hectic here, but hey, we're by the ocean. It's a beautiful sunny day. Parking is a bit dodgy as well, but I'm sure you can figure it out. So I'll show you a little bit more of the beach, but bye for now. We'll catch you next time.